Hey there, it's time to take a closer look at the complete version of the recommender system for media content and analyze it a bit. Let's do that. Okay, let me show you the complete version of media recommender system. We have collection titles. We can click on those to see the actual content, and we also have content type. So we have for each collection title we have movies, TV series, books, educational content, anime series. Since we have thousands of those collections, we need an efficient way to navigate across them. And I will rely on tags to do that. So I can put here aliens, and the system will suggest to me more relevant tags. And let me just select some of those to showcase how the system looks. Each time I click on the tag, the collections might be updated. And then what I can do, I can pick specific collections to see the actual content. Again, according to the checkboxes that are selected here. Maybe I will just restrict myself, say, to TV series. And then when I start clicking on the collection titles, I will see different TV series. Or I can be even more specific and pick, say, anime series. And again, I can click on collection titles, and what I will see is only anime, and that's interesting because it allows us to specify our recommender system to very specific user needs. Okay, let's do some experiments with educational content. Usually those are non-fiction books, at least we asked it to be. And we can click on the collection titles to see something that presumably non-fiction, scientific, and so on. Maybe I will just switch completely the topic here and try something different, say something related to pandemic, say. Okay, I click pandemic, I click global pandemics, and everything that is suggested is more or less relevant, and I can see quite relevant books on the topic. And the good thing here is that I can actually switch the way I use the system. So first it was entertainment, now it becomes more like scientific research. And let me show you the last example here that is related to startups. I just like the books in this section, so I pick startups, tech startups, startup founders, and then I may start clicking on the collection title suggested, and those are quite interesting books related to startup world. Okay, that might be it. Maybe last point that I would like to emphasize is that this system works without ChatGPT at this moment. So ChatGPT was used to generate content, to generate tags, but once everything generated and published, no ChatGPT at this point required. And in the previous videos, we showcase how to actually build those recommender system. See you in the next videos.